Am I the only one that didn't know bookshelf speakers could sound this good? The Edifier R2750DB MKII is raising the bar for home audio. Let's see why these are turning heads in 2024. Meet the Edifier R2750DB MKII, where classic hi-fi meets modern convenience. These powered bookshelf speakers are serious contenders, packing a tri-amp system and a whopping 144 watts of room-filling sound. Think of it as having a live concert, right in your living room. Highs are handled by a silky 1-inch tweeter, so cymbals and details stay crisp. Vocals? They're warm, sharp, and true to life, thanks to the dedicated mid-range driver. And the bass? Deep, punchy, and clear down to 33 Hz, courtesy of a massive 7-inch woofer. High-res audio means you get every nuance, whether streaming Bluetooth 6.0 with LDAC or using HDMI EARC for TV. Plus, you've got all the ports, optical, coaxial, RCA, even a sub-out if you want extra thump. Control everything from the Edifier app with a 9-band EQ and presets for any mood. These speakers are built tough in MDF cabinets, though keep in mind, they do need some shelf space.